Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.